Cat. The cat is black. I like my cat. The cat sleeps on the sofa. I have a small cat. She is white and black. She likes to sleep on my bed. Every morning she drinks milk. I love my cat very much. Bag. The bag is red. My bag is heavy. I carry my bag to school. I have a new bag. It is blue and big. I put my books in the bag. I also put my pen and notebook. I take the bag to school every day. Door. The door is open. I close the door. The door is brown. There's a door in my room. The door is white. In the morning, I open the door and go to the kitchen. At night, I close the door. The door is simple but important. Tree. The tree is tall. There is a tree in the garden. I sit under the tree. There is a big tree near my house. Birds sit in the tree. In summer, the tree gives shade. I sit under the tree with my friend. We talk and play there. Milk. I drink milk. The milk is cold. Milk is good for health. Every morning, I drink a glass of milk. My mother gives me milk with breakfast. Sometimes I drink hot milk at night. Milk makes me strong. I like milk every day. Book. This is my book. The book is new. I read a book. I have a book from school. The book is green. I read the book at home. The story is easy and nice. Books help me learn English. Bread. I eat bread. The bread is fresh. Bread is on the table. I buy bread every day. The shop has fresh bread in the morning. I eat bread with cheese. My family eats bread at dinner. We all love bread. Shoe. My shoes are black. I wear shoes to school. The shoes are new. I have a pair of new shoes. They are red and white. I wear them when I go to school. The shoes are very comfortable. I am happy with my shoes. Fish. The fish is small. I eat fish for dinner. The fish swims in the water. There are fish in the river. The fish swim fast. Sometimes my father cooks fish for dinner. We eat fish with bread. Fish is very tasty. Room. My room is big. The room has a bed. I clean my room. My room is small but nice. There is a bed and a table in the room. I keep my books on the table. I clean my room every week. I like spending time in my room.